You good, you good. You good, you good.
Let me take this one. I'm putting your shoes, okay? Get wet? I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. But at least you have your feathers on your back. Okay? Woo! I mean, he's doing the same thing. We're all doing the same thing.
Yeah, but mine is mine.
Yeah. More down here. It's fine.
It's good for good. They just sitting here with like a thunder. They're moving so slow.
I feel it tipping.
I know. That's it. There we go. Oh, a flamingo. What the hell?
Welcome to SeaWorld, babe.
I don't even fish. Damn it. Let's do a tiny one. Oh, no wonder people get wet. That's what he meant by everybody gets wet.
Yeah, the back was not a good idea. The back was not a good idea. I already got soaked already. Whoa. Oh, but by the way.
Are we going down that? Yeah. Oh, fine. It's not in the last one. Of course.
You people barely got wet.
No, guys, what? I'm sorry. You went back over? I don't want to get my own baby.
You need a drink. Oh my god. Let's tip it to this side, people. They need some. Woo!
Feels good. We're probably dry in like 20 minutes.
My back's gonna be dry in like 10 minutes. Oh my god.
No more. Why?
No?
Not even that big of a drop. There's other ones from right there. Oh my god, that's all we got. We better start spinning. Oh! Oh no! I am so snow. Now you know what she's
I like how there. Are you good? You're like holding on to the
Huh?